When creating education policies, people often try to copy things that have worked well in other educational organizations. According to Berliner and Glass, this doesn't always work because every organization is different and has slightly different needs. This doesn't mean that it is impossible to borrow ideas. Sahlberg suggests analyzing other practices and borrowing basic ideas. In doing all of this, Williams points out the importance of working together to form a policy rather than just taking potshots at others and trying to place blame for older policies not working. To fill in the gaps and tailor borrowed ideas to fit a particular organization, evidence can be used to make decisions based on various factors such as demographics, economy, resources, and geography. Some steps to be taken towards better utilizing research and evidence when deciding on education policy include 1. Building policies based on research and concrete evidence. 2. Using research to tailor a policy to the organization in which it will be implemented. And 3. Patiently collaborate with others to effectively utilize research and develop policies. A core value at the National Association of State Boards of Education is to elevate evidence in policymaking by grounding resources, tools, and services in the strongest evidence available and help members make informed decisions in the best interest of students. This shows an understanding and interest in methodically making informed decisions to improve education systems based upon evidence. It also shows NASB's willingness to help others better utilize information. One way in which NASB helps policymakers to better utilize evidence is through a guide available on their website that breaks down the uses of evidence-informed decisions, how to identify good research, and how to best use the research. The guide starts off with how research can be used to identify problems that need attention, support or oppose a particular program, justify decisions to legislature, news and media, the general public, and to help build consensus among different groups. Help local school boards and administrators make good decisions about strategies for teaching and learning. The second thing the guide shows is how to identify good research. An important factor is objectivity. Is the research credible? Is there bias? If the research was published, where? The third thing touched on by the guide is how to utilize information. It's best to make information user-friendly so it's easy to understand and easier to explain to legislators. In conclusion, NASB's belief in using evidence to write policy and their exploration into educating lawmakers and others on how to implicate it are helping to make better education policy. This project was made by Olivia Kosowski, Grace Christensen, and William O'Neill.